The bottom line first. Here's what you need to know right away. Short-term view. TD Bank faces significant challenges. Recent legal battles, regulatory scrutiny, and hefty financial penalties have introduced real risks. For the short term, we're calling this a cautious hold. Watch closely for dips, as volatility could create opportunities. Long-term view. Despite current setbacks, TD Bank is built to last. With a strong market position, diversified revenue streams, and its reputation as a top lender for small businesses in the U.S., it remains a solid hold. Long-term investors may find it worthwhile to ride out the storm and reassess once the dust settles. Today, we're diving into TD Bank, a financial giant making waves for all the right and a few wrong reasons. What's the story? And more importantly, what does it mean for investors like you? Let's get started. The find that rocked the markets. Just over a month ago, TD Bank stock took a major hit, dropping nearly 6.5%. Why? The news broke about a massive $3 billion fine tied to compliance failures in its anti-money laundering programs. This wasn't just a financial blow. It raised serious questions about the bank's internal controls and reputation. A bright spot in a tough year. Amid the chaos, TD Bank still managed to shine where it matters most. Lending. It was ranked the #1 lender in U.S. small business administration loans for the 8th consecutive year. This reinforces the bank's commitment to supporting small businesses, even as it faces challenges on other fronts. Lawsuits and scrutiny galore. The hits kept coming as multiple law firms launched class action lawsuits, accusing TD Bank of securities fraud linked to its compliance issues. Regulators have also put the spotlight on financial institutions, warning that anti-money laundering practices are under stricter than ever scrutiny. The bigger picture. What's happening behind the scenes? Stock performance. TD Bank stock is showing some short-term stability, trading just above key moving averages. However, investor sentiment is shaky as the market reacts to legal and reputational risks. Market volatility, lawsuits, and regulatory focus are creating uncertainty, which could mean more bumps ahead for TD Bank stock price. Analyst reactions. Analysts have adjusted their expectations for TD Bank's earnings, reflecting a cautious outlook. The focus is now on how the bank plans to address compliance issues and rebuild investor trust. What's working? TD Bank is a financial powerhouse with a strong branch network and a stellar reputation for small business lending. Its valuation metrics show that it remains a relatively stable and efficient bank in terms of capital utilization and revenue generation. Where it's struggling, the $3 billion fine and ongoing lawsuits are more than just financial setbacks. They've shaken investor confidence. Regulatory scrutiny is increasing across the industry, which means TD Bank will need to invest heavily in compliance systems to avoid further penalties. Final takeaway. Is TD Bank worth your investment? Short term. Right now, TD Bank is in a delicate position. Legal and regulatory challenges are casting a shadow over its stock, making it a cautious hold in the short term. If you're already holding shares, keep an eye on volatility for potential buying opportunities during dips. Long-term. For long-term investors, the bank's market dominance and diversified revenue streams are compelling reasons to stay the course. TD Bank has weathered storms before, and its commitment to innovation and small business lending gives it a solid foundation for future growth. Our recommendation? Hold tight for now and reevaluate as the situation unfolds. TD Bank's story is one of resilience in the face of adversity. With a mix of challenges and opportunities ahead, the bank's future will depend on how well it can navigate the current landscape. Whether you're holding shares or just watching from the sidelines, this is one stock to keep on your radar. Remember, this content is for informational purposes only and does not constitute financial advice. Always consult a certified financial professional before making investment decisions. That's all for today's Top Stock Analyst podcast. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe.